Okay, so this is the second trade of 11th June 2024. This is Hindustan Copper. I encountered a stop loss here. So my understanding was this. This is the previous day candle, that means 10th June candle, and we are already inside this bearish fair value gap here, bearish fair value gap, and actually price is unable to clear the highs of this candle. So it is as if, also you see here, it has created this bullish fair value gap here, as if this down close candle is indicating that price will come inside this bullish fair value gap. So therefore today our understanding is that price will start somewhere from here, somewhere from here, maybe going a little bit up, and then coming down to this bullish fair value. So that was our understanding. But what happens here is today everything was going as per the plan. So here it started giving bullish intention, which is a fake intention for us. So for us this was buy side liquidity taken, and then it started reacting downwards. It means in our direction, and this is the fair value gap. This one, this is the fair value gap. So this is our target, this line is our target. So we see here that this was the initial bullish fair value gap created here. Now price has given closure below this bullish fair value gap. So that is one indication that we are bearish. So then this is another fair value gap in opposite direction. So we are bearish from here. So I took my trade right from here, targeting this, keeping my stop loss above this high. So as you can see, I have encountered stop loss, and of course now it is coming down. So these things happen, I cannot do anything about this. So what happens actually, it was close to the previous day high, and therefore it was creating these fake highs for the retail traders like us. So that these high, we were thinking that these highs are the tops, this high and then this high, then this high, right? Anybody can think that these are the tops, and based on that they will sell here, and so then they targeted these stop losses that we put here, and then again the stop losses above this previous day high, and then it comes down. My understanding is it will come down to this fair value gap only after taking this liquidity. Anyway, no problem, these things happen. So this is the second trade for today. So the first one is profit 2:1, and then this is 1 loss. So overall it is 1:1 profit for the entire day. Thank you very much for listening. Let us meet tomorrow.